Welcome to this guided golden thread breathwork meditation, where we will focus on slow, intentional breaths, fostering relaxation and mindfulness. Begin by creating a sacred space for yourself, free from distractions. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to your breathing, using it as an anchor to maintain focus. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your breath out with a slow exhale, allowing any tension to dissolve away. We will try to slow the breath down with a slow inhale. Inhale as deep as you can, as much air as you can in. And once you reach the top, let the air out with a slow exhale. As you settle into this space, envision in your mind's eye a radiant and ethereal golden thread. Picture it as a luminous connection to a higher source of peace and clarity. With your next inhale, imagine this golden thread gently descending from the cosmos, connecting with the crown of your head. Feel the warm and subtle vibration of this divine connection. With each subsequent slow breath, visualize the golden thread delicately weaving down through the intricate landscape of your body. Envision it gracefully winding around the curves of your spine, touching each vertebrae with a gentle, radiant glow. As you exhale, release any residual tension, allowing the golden thread to carry away stress and negativity, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. As you continue your rhythmic breathing, let your imagination soar. Picture the golden thread extending beyond the confines of your physical form. See it weaving into the space around you, creating a luminous cocoon of positivity and tranquility. Inhale deeply, absorbing the calming energy of the golden thread. With each exhale, feel any lingering stress dissipate into the infinite. Now, expand your vision. Envision the golden thread extending beyond the immediate space beyond the walls of the room, creating a vast, interconnected web of golden light. With every breath you take, sense the tapestry of unity and tranquility expanding, reaching out into the universe. You are part of this grand cosmic dance. Feel the warmth of connection as the golden thread links not only to yourself, but to the world around you. Inhale a profound sense of oneness, and exhale any residual feelings of separation. Picture the golden thread creating a harmonious dance of energy and light, connecting all living beings in a shared essence. As we gently conclude this meditation, let the golden thread guide you into a state of profound inner peace. Allow your breath to flow effortlessly, knowing that the thread remains, cradling you in a cocoon of serenity. Feel its embrace, providing a deep sense of security and tranquility. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry the essence of the golden thread with you, knowing that the calm and unity it symbolizes are always within your reach. Thank you for joining this transformative golden thread breath meditation. May your days be woven with the threads of peace and connection. If you found this meditation helpful, please like and subscribe for more immersive sessions. Until we meet again, take a moment to breathe and find the golden thread within.